The LL300S's manual single Y-axis slope mode enables quick and easy connection of two existing elevations, garage entry and road elevation, at the Y-axis using the RC402N remote control. Single Y-axis slope mode can be used for preparing the required sloped grading elevation, driveway or ramp application. Preparing the HL760 with the LL300S. Turn on the HL760. Press and hold the tolerance and audio buttons for 2 seconds to enter the menu. Press and release the unit button. Press and release the audio button. Press and release the unit button again. Press and hold the laser's manual button and turn the laser on. The HL760 will now be paired automatically with the LL300S. Press and release the HL760 power button 2 times to go back to the standard display. Place the tripod with the attached LL300S at the first elevation position with the Y-axis pointing to the second elevation position and turn on the LL300S and the RC402N. Then align the transmitter into the required slope direction using the sighting guides at the sunshade. Place the grade rod with the receiver close to the LL300S. Turn on the receiver and check the beam elevation. Press the manual button at the RC402N remote control 2 times to select the single slope mode for the Y-axis. Place the grade rod with the receiver along the Y-axis at the second elevation point without changing the receiver position at the rod. Use the up-down arrow buttons at the remote control to adjust the beam to the on-grade position at the HL760 receiver. Using the established slope reference, check the grading elevations at the entire work area.